Alright, what's up YouTube? Today is my 300th video. So we're going to do something a little bit more spectacular, more exciting. We're going to wreck some trains, Lego trains, into all sorts of stuff and into themselves. What I'm going to do is start setting up the tracks and yeah, let's get started. Okay, what we're gonna do first, pull out all these tracks. There's not that many. I don't have a whole lot of tracks, but I do have a decent amount. I'm gonna set this up on the floor, and we're gonna do it in this room, since this is probably the biggest place that I have to set up all the tracks. So, remember, go like, subscribe, comment, leave some feedback, go to my TikTok, my Facebook group. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started on this train track. Alright, so I finished the trains, like the track set up. Now I'm gonna build a few like crazy things and I might wreck it into one of these sets or something. But the trains are I have to be replaced with batteries because they're kind of weak right now. So I'm gonna have to put new batteries in them. And then we're going to crash them into each other at the very end and crash them into other things like walls and stuff like that. I'm just gonna build a bunch of random stuff and slow it down for you. So let's get started on building those things. Okay, I have these random Legos that I have not sorted yet. So we're gonna build some random weird little things out of these pieces so that we can wreck the trains into it. I don't know, we'll see. So, stay tuned. That's if you want to see more. So the train track is set up, and I replaced the batteries on that train, and built a few things, but I think we're going to see if any of the Avengers right here, and Thanos, can stop the train, and see how damaged they get. But, we're going to set them up on the train tracks and see what happens. Let's get this going. I have set up the first crash, but I set up a long straightaway. The only reason I did that is because I set up a straightaway over there. So that's where I was going to start the crashes. But when it went around the corner at that area over there, it fell off the track. So we're just going to go head-on collision. Straight up. That's as long as I have for straight tracks, so it's just gonna be good enough. So let's slow this down and take a look at what we can do with this. It's just a random build out of some crazy Legos. Okay, well, it just demolished that, and it actually took the back wheels off the train on the front end. but the rest of it didn't wreck off. So let's try something new. That first one was a little anticlimactic. Didn't really do a whole lot. So let's see what this one does. We're gonna set up Thanos' army and run it with the train. Okay, we got a little bit more of Thanos' army on there. So let's see what we can do and see how they'll last with the train. I guess Thanos couldn't stop it, so let's see some other stuff. Alright, this is our last setup. We have Thanos and a bunch of the Avengers mech suits. We're gonna see if this orange train will go through this. I'm pretty sure it will, but let's see the carnage. Okay, well, the train would have kept going. It obviously took down a couple Avengers. Thor has actually kind of stopped it in the front. Iron Man got took down, and so did those two. And Thanos is just gone. He is squished back there. These two were not affected. So, yeah. That is what happened to the Avengers. That's why we have no new Avengers movie yet. Alright, well, that's some of the stuff that I've crashed the trains into so far. I actually stopped making this video for a while because Ricky gave me a new project to work on. This right here, I am going to make, or try to construct, a Lego drone out of this old drone. It still does fly, it still works just fine. I tested it out. It's just missing a few pieces on it, but we can either reconstruct those pieces or take the whole thing down and make a new drone out of it. And that's what I'm thinking, is make a new drone. So until next time, go like, subscribe, comment. Can't say it enough, and peace out.